Welcome back. Let's talk about the Z700 lineup of zero turn lawnmowers. These are considered John Deere's high-end residential lawnmowers. They're from stem to stern, a great build quality and a great choice for a large property owner. Hi, my name is Jason Hughes. After serving in the Army for 20 years, I was searching for a way to serve my community. That's when I found Papé. I'm also a large property owner and own and use most of the equipment you see in these videos myself. I hope you enjoy this content. If you have any questions, please comment below. Let's get started. The Z7s offer 5 different models in their lineup. The Z720E with the 23 horsepower Kawasaki engine, a Z735E with a 25 horsepower Briggs & Stratton engine, a Z730M, which is the model you see before you, with a 24 horsepower Kawasaki engine, the Z735M with a 25 horsepower Briggs & Stratton engine, and a Z740R with a 23.5 horsepower engine that is commercially filtrated. So that's why you have a little bit less horsepower, but you've got a commercial air filtration system on that particular machine. All of which offer way more power than these things need. One of the things that sets the Z7s apart from all the rest of the lineup is the deck quality. It comes in 3 different deck sizes, a 48, a 54, and a 60. They're a 9-gauge stamped steel deck with a reinforcement around the whole outer edge. This comes in handy if you've got hidden obstacles out in your field that you didn't know about. Maintenance on these decks is made simple by easily accessible zerk fittings on the top of each one of the spindles. All I have to do is raise up the footrest to access the center spindle with the zerk fitting, and I have easy access to my belt. The control layout on the Z700 is all very simple. You've got a simple choke lever, throttle lever, PTO engagement, and height adjustment on the right-hand side. Another easily accessible feature of this machine is the fuel tank. All I've got to do is open it up and I can fill 8 gallons in this thing. If I need to see how much fuel is in it, I just reference my level right on the front of the machine. So super simple. One of the reasons that people choose the Z700 lineup of zero turns is speed. You've got 2 hydrostatic transmissions propelling this machine from anywhere from 8 miles per hour all the way up to 10 miles per hour. That will make any job very quick. The Z7s offer 3 different seat choices in their model lineup. The 21-inch high back seat that's just got a spring integration underneath, the 22.5-inch high back with comfort glide like you see before you. That comfort glide will allow you to move forward and aft, so it lessens all the blows that you might take out on your property, so it's really nice and comfortable. And then in our most premium offering, the Z740R, there's a 24-inch high back seat that has a suspension dial built into it, so you can set it for a specific rider's weight. It also has that comfort glide feature, so knocks it out of the park in comfort. My hands down favorite feature of the Z7s is the integrated park brake controls. All I've got to do when I'm ready to go, pull in my controls, go forward, go reverse, turn on a dime, and if I want to set my park brake, all I have to do is push those controls right back out. It's an awesome feature, a super easy time saver. Let's talk about build quality. This thing has a fully boxed frame. It weighs just under 1,000 pounds. Super robust build quality. Got fully integrated ROPS bar, so keeps you safe. The ability to add bumpers, canopies, all sorts of different accessories, LED lighting packages. This thing is a very, very premium model. In conclusion, the Z700 ticks almost every mark off the box. Multiple seating choices, engine choices, deck sizes, robust build quality. These things will knock it out of the park on your property. If you're looking for one of these, please come see us at Papé Machinery.